Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really like that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about comfort items and things that we could stock up on now, just in case, with an event, an shtf situation, or even a grid down situation, like especially let's think about our extended prepper family that lives in Louisiana and Texas, because they're always, it seems like this hurricane season, man, they got hit left and right with hurricanes. Gosh, I think about them often. I really do. And I honestly, with this Hurricane Delta, I prayed, I said, why don't you just make a right turn and just hit Florida just for once, for God's sakes. Leave those people alone. I mean, I feel so bad for them. I really do. But on to the checklist that I've been working on, and I would love for you to leave your comments, please, on what comfort items would literally be your saving grace in an event, after an event that would, either bring your anxiety level down and just, make you have a level head, okay? First, obviously, we want to keep stock up on baby items and diapers, because our children, as well as our pets, should be our first priority, because kids and pets are defenseless. They cannot do anything on their own, and they rely on us for everything. And if we keep stock and have stock of our items for our kids and for our pets, those are the things that, okay, you know what I mean? That's okay, we're good. So, we don't have to worry about, trying to run around trying to find diapers and formula and this and that and Pedialyte and, or dog food, cat litter, treats and this and that and this and that. That's a stressor that is now gone away. Why? Because we've prepped for that. So, let's always keep good stock on items for our kids, especially for our infants, and for our pets, okay? Another comfort item, obviously, is our hygiene. You don't want the stressor of that at all, especially like toothbrush, toothpaste, soap for our bodies, hair, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, things like that. You don't want those stressors. Those comfort items, I feel, are extremely important, because, let's face it, at the end of a hard day, regardless of where you work or what you do for a living or whatever your day entailed, the one thing that I know a lot of us look forward to is coming home and taking a nice hot shower. And then, of course, eating a good meal. So, making sure we keep stock of our hygiene items is extremely, extremely important. And plus, it'll help keep down infections if we happen to have wounds. Now, some other comfort items obviously would be like chocolate, hard candy, toilet paper. We don't want to go through that again. Board games and cards, things to keep us occupied, especially for our little ones. Even for us, we're going to need some downtime, some ways to relieve that stress. So it's always good to have, a family night of board games and card games. Perfume and cologne, it's always nice to, just have that feel good of, just smelling nice. For some of us ladies, we enjoy putting makeup on. Books. Books is a comfort item in my opinion. I'm an avid reader. I love to read. A lot of people say alcohol, you know, beverages, cigarettes, gum, soda, seltzer water, coffee, tea. I just asked my mother-in-law what would be her one comfort item, and her answer was amazing. It was her Bible and her glasses. And I asked Sean, I said, Sean, what would be your comfort item? And he's just like, my cell phone and a Coke Zero. I'm like, seriously? He's such a dork. Me, my comfort item, besides like, you know, the obvious, which would be like what my dogs or my cats or things like that, I would have to say my favorite book that I have literally read like 10 times, but I don't care because it's that good that I would read it over and over and over again. It's also my mom's favorite book, besides the Bible, of course. It's a book called Message from Nam. It's by Danielle Steele. I love that book. I really do. I've read it literally like 10 times. So I think that my favorite book with a comfortable blanket and a nice cup of coffee, that would be my comfort right there. My, you know, bring me back down to earth, wash that anxiety away, and just try to relax type thing. So what are your comfort items that, you know, you would feel would ground you? Because all of us are different, and all of us, you know, we don't all have the same likes, dislikes, you know, that type of thing. So what are your things, you know? I know like a lot of people will say, you know, their personal things like family photos, heirlooms, artifacts, things like that. Those are always so nice to have. Like I have pictures of my great-grandparents. You know, just little things. It's the little things. It really is. But what are your comfort items that you would want to keep a hold on to, that would keep you grounded after an event? Okay. That's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Keep prepping, stay safe, and if you need me, you know how to get a hold of me. Bye.